Now let's look at the receiving document in our rPosIO cloud. If you haven't yet, watch the first 2 videos in the inventory playlist. That'll review how to set up your items to prepare them for using inventory and how to go over the order document. The receiving document is very similar to the order document. You come to your inventory document section and hit the plus, choose receiving document and give it a name. Enter a PO number. Choose which supplier you're receiving from, and then any of this other optional information. Now we'll hit create. So we've created the test doc and we're right inside it, ready to go. Now the big difference between an order document and a receiving document is you'll want to use a receiving document when you're just going to receive goods in and just scan one, enter it, scan another, enter it. If you want to actually add items in a group, like say all of the items from a certain supplier or all of your Coke 20-ounce beverages, then you'll want to use an order document for that. We have one button up here for a plus. We click that and we get our familiar search page. We can now scan the item in or click on the icon and search. When we find the item we want, we'll choose it. We'll say whether we are receiving units or cases. I'm going to receive 2 cases, and all of the same info applies as it did in the order document. So now we're going to add to our receiving, and it's ready to enter the next one. It defaults to case because that's what I'm receiving. I can close this when I'm done. I can click right on the product number and either go update the actual item information or update the receiving to make sure I have it correct. That will revise. When I'm happy with how it looks, I can come back to the inventory documents page. When I'm ready to post it, I could just check it off and post. I'll click yes, and there we go. We've posted it. It now lives in the posted section. If you want to go back and review what you received on any given purchase order, you can see it all there. Thanks for watching this video walkthrough. For more information, email support@insightrs.com or visit us at insightrs.com.